Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is ILHAM AMIR bin MISLAN from Group 8. This is the representation for Community Service Project for Engineering Ethics GENE 4300. The title of this project is Toilet Door Lock Restoration in Mahallah Siddiq and supervised by Professor Dr. Nurul Fazli binti Hasbullah. In this presentation, I'm going to talk about the group members, the introduction to the project, the goals and objective of the project details, result and discussions, and also the conclusion from the project. Okay, the program manager for this project is Muhammad Bukhary bin IZAT Bukhary. Then the secretary is me, Ilham Nur Amir bin Mislan, and the other group members are Adi JAFNI bin AFFENDI, Muhammad Danial IMRAN bin ZAIDI, and Muhammad HAZIQ bin HELME. Okay, the purpose of this project is to address and resolve the issues related to the malfunction and damaged toilet door locks within the facilities of Mahallah Siddiq. This project aims to ensure the proper functioning of the toilet door locks, enhancing the overall safety, privacy, and convenience of the residents or the user of Mahallah Siddiq's toilet. Okay, the objective of this project is to replace any unusable or missing door locks in Mahallah toilet and shower doors. Second, to enhance security and provide a safer environment and a peace of mind for the resident of Mahallah Siddiq. Okay, for the flow of the project, first we do a site visit and inspection to Mahallah Siddiq, and then we started planning and purchasing the required material. Then we start the lock installation, and after we finish, we do a post-project inspection 2 weeks after the project. Okay, from the site visit and Mahallah Siddiq inspection, we found out that the total number of toilet doors that require lock replacement is 64. Okay, after knowing the number of door locks that are required to be replaced, we started the next phase of our project, which is planning and work distribution. Okay, in this phase, we bought the door latch online through Shopee and also start preparing for the proper equipment to change the door lock, which is electric screwdriver, hand screwdriver, and screws. And for the work distribution, we have distributed the number of doors between our group members according to the blocks.
Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Danial bin ZAIDI, and I'll be presenting about the lock and latch installation. So, as you can see from the slides, the first picture shows the lock door that has been purchased. The second picture shows the drill that has been used for the installation. The third picture shows the lock door that has been installed properly and successfully. And the last one shows the video of the installation process. Thank you. So we have done the inspection at the toilet at Mahallah Siddiq. So based from the inspection that has been done, we have discovered some information, and we took several pictures about the condition of the toilet door. And of course, from the slides, you can see that the toilet door has broken lock and there's no latch attached. So, yeah, that's why the installation of the new lock door is crucial. So, for the conclusion of the project that has been done by me and my fellow teammates, is it enhanced the functionality, specifically the door of the toilet, and of course the next one is improve satisfaction of the residents of Mahallah Siddiq. The third one is proactive maintenance emphasis, and the last one is effective collaboration and management, including the team management and of course from our team. So thank you very much for listening, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.